Have you ever wondered about the long-lasting environmental effects of nuclear waste? Japan is now discharging Fukushima's nuclear wastewater into the ocean. Approved by the International Atomic Energy Agency, the release has sparked controversy. The wastewater contains tritium, a radioactive isotope that can't be removed. This poses potential risks to marine life, ecosystems, and human health. The uncertainty of the impact is worrisome and fuels global skepticism. The data given by Japan faces doubt, raising the question, what are the unseen consequences of this release? The data from Japan has been met with skepticism, raising questions about the potential risks involved. So what exactly are the risks associated with the release of nuclear wastewater into our oceans? Firstly, let's consider the potential hazards to human health. As we know, water is a fundamental part of our ecosystem and a vital resource for our survival. The contamination of water with radioactive substances poses a serious threat to our health, potentially causing various diseases including cancer. Then, we have marine organisms. This wastewater carries radioactive particles that can accumulate in marine species, disrupting their biological functions and potentially leading to their extinction. It's a ripple effect, where the harm done to one species can impact the whole marine food chain. Moreover, the ecosystems are not spared. The release of nuclear wastewater can cause long-term changes in the environment. It could alter the balance of life in the ocean, affecting the biodiversity and the overall health of our planet. One of the daunting challenges is the detection of contamination. The vastness of the ocean makes it a Herculean task to monitor and detect the spread of radioactive materials. Lastly, let's not forget the potential impact on the seafood industry, especially in the United States. The contamination could reach American shores, affecting local seafood industries and causing economic repercussions. The release of nuclear wastewater is not just a local issue, it has the potential to affect us all. So, where do we go from here? The answer lies in our collective response. The global community needs to unite in monitoring, researching, and cooperating to assess and mitigate the risks associated with the release of Fukushima's wastewater. This isn't a task for a single nation or organization. It's a call to arms for scientists, researchers, environmentalists, and policymakers across the globe. We need to pool our resources and knowledge to understand the complexities of nuclear waste and its impacts on our environment. Staying informed is key. We must be aware of the updates, the studies, the findings. We must also take an active role in understanding the situation. It's not just about reading the headlines but delving deeper into the data, the science behind it. To the general public, this may seem overwhelming, but remember, every step counts. Whether it's educating oneself about nuclear waste, participating in discussions, or advocating for environmental safety, each action contributes to the larger goal of safeguarding our planet. The road ahead is uncertain, but through international cooperation and rigorous scientific research, we can strive to minimize the impacts of nuclear waste on our planet. Moving forward, as we reduce the brightness on your screen, we have a role to play as well. Yes, under the soft light, you heard it right. Each one of us can contribute to this global in our own little ways. How? By staying informed, spreading awareness, and supporting scientific research under the dimmed light of wisdom. For that, you need a reliable source of information. And that's where we come in. We are committed to bringing you the latest updates, the most accurate studies, and the most insightful discussions on topics that matter, even under the low light of the screen. So if you found today's content enlightening and want to stay connected with our future updates, remember to hit the subscribe button in this softened light. Your participation can make a huge difference. By subscribing, you're not just staying updated, you're becoming a part of a community that believes in the power of knowledge and the importance of informed decisions. So, in the gentle glow of our content, don't miss out on our future videos. Join us as we continue to explore, learn, and share. With every click, under filtered light, you're contributing to a larger cause. Together, in dimmed light, we can make a difference.